Hi, I'm Ken Heron. I'm a drone pilot and slow learner, and that's why I use remotepilot101.com, because when I initially took my first Part 107 test, I failed it. Why is that, you say? Because back in 2016, before anybody knew what the test was going to be like, the FAA was putting out a study guide that was guaranteed to help you pass the test. Well, I did that. I believed the FAA, those tricky guys, and I failed it. And that was $150 down the drain because you have to pay even if you fail. I thought to myself, well, I don't want to do that again. I can't afford to do that again. I better get some study material that will really work. And I started doing some research, and then I found this guy. And I thought, anybody that looks like that knows his stuff. That's Jason Shapert. Doesn't he just look like a pilot? I mean, doesn't he? Well, not only is he a pilot, he's an instructor pilot. He's written many books on the subject, and he really knows his stuff. RemotePilot101.com uses a video-based curriculum hosted by Jason Shapert. It's only $149, and it's for life. That means updated information will always be available to you whenever you have to renew, which is every 2 years. My third renewal is coming up in just 2 months. I better get watching some videos. RemotePilot101.com is a great resource. They have chat available if you have any questions 24 hours a day, and it's your one-stop shop for anything you'd ever want to know about drones and drone regulations. One of the best aspects of the course are the quizzes in between the lessons. These are questions developed from actual answers on the real FAA test. Jason will let you know if there's any trick questions on the test. He'll just come right out and say it.
I want to share with you today 3 FAA Part 107 trick questions we're seeing come up time and time again.
The curriculum is organized into easily digestible sections, which makes it very easy for those of us who may not retain information that easily. Well, maybe you're thinking to yourself, I don't even need a Part 107 to make money. I'll just figure some other way around it. I'm smart, I can figure it out. Well, guess what? There's a thing called in furtherance of a business. The FAA's thought of everything. There's no way around it. You absolutely need to get your 14 CFR Part 107 certification in order to legally make money. They'll get you. Oh, they'll get you. RemotePilot101.com, the best source for all of your regulatory information so that you can get out there and start making money legally with your drone. Hop on the website right now. See what it's all about. Watch Jason Shapert's introductory video. Heck, you can watch it twice. Hey, fellow creators, if you like the music you hear in my videos, now you can get a 30-day free trial with Epidemic Sound with the links in my description. Just go to the description and click on one of 2 links, and you can check it out for 30 days for free. EpidemicSound.com. Book and buy.